Taking care of spider plants during these hot summers, and these plants are thirsty more than ever. So how do you save these plants? How do you look after them? And which is the best organic fertilizer for these plants during the summer? Watch the video till the end. You will find many useful tips. So welcome to Tamara's Garden channel, and today the topic is how to save plants, especially these spider plants. It's an ornamental plant, how to save them during the hot summers. If you are a person who loves seeing this ornamental plant healthily and bushily, first thing is you will have to keep it in a place where it gets the filtered or the partial sunlight. Do not locate it in an area where it gets the bright sunlight, where it will burn the leaves of this plant. So first thing is location is very important. Keep it in a shady area. If you have not kept them indoors, you can keep them in a shady area under a tree or in the partial sunlight, so that they will grow very healthy. Time to shift the plant to a place where it gets the shaded sunlight during the summers. So do not let it get burnt by keeping it in direct hot sunlight. So prevent the roots getting too dried up during the summers. You can use coconut husks to cover up the top layer of the soil. So what I do is I simply cover up the top layer of soil using these coconut husks. You can use dried leaves as well. So now here I have covered up the top layer with the coconut husks, and you can simply add them to your pot. The top layer you can cover up. So by adding them, when you water, this water will remain for a couple of hours. So by that, the plant roots will not get too dried out. So this is another tip you can apply when growing this beautiful spider plant and saving it during the hot summers. During hot summers, you can add many organic fertilizers to these plants. So the best thing is using liquid fertilizer, really very useful, because during the hot summers their roots get dried out. So to keep the moisture balance of the soil, you can add fertilizers of your choice. So now here I use tea fertilizer for this spider plant. You can use the dried form of the tea leaves as well, but during the hot summers it is advisable using liquid fertilizers. So now here we add the tea fertilizer to the spider plant. We add it to the roots. You can add it to any ornamental plant. So we add fertilizer to these plants during summers so that the roots are well moistured. Taking care of spider plants during these hot summers